Hi everyone. This is the preview of my project, so let's get started. I'm using this small watercolor book and I'm using the masking tape so that the color won't bleed in between the page. So now I'm using this stencil. Then I'm using Versamark. Taking this sponge, I'm dabbing it on the stencil. I'm just putting like on two different areas. This is again my different experiment. So now I'm using the clear embossing powder. Now I'm going to heat it. So now I'm using watercolor paint and I'm going to paint it over that. This is again another fun project. So I'm trying to do more experimenting kind of projects. So you can use watercolor, or even you can use distress oxide on the top. So I'm mixing up now little black watercolor paint. Now I'm going to heat it and dry it. Now I'm using this Tim Holtz stamp. It's like a text stamp. Then I'm using another stamp which is kind of like a both mixed kind of stamp, numbers and text. I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm going to use another stamp that is like a splatter kind of stamp, and I'm going to put that in different areas. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on. That way you won't miss my videos as I post it. So I'm putting more tiny kind of splatter stamp. If you don't have it, you can just do the splatter black paint and then use the brush and splatter on that. Then I'm using this distress oxide crackling campfire, and I'm going to use circle kind of stamp on that. Then I'm going to now heat up the whole thing. Then I'm using this Tim Holtz stamp, and I'm going to use my stamping pad and stamp on that. I tried to stamp without that, but it doesn't stamp very well. So it's better to use the Misty or anything to stamp. Maybe my ink is dry, so maybe that's why it's not stamping properly. So, but stamp pad is very useful. Um, we have to make sure that it is nice and juicy. So I'm going to do the fussy cut. So I'm going to cut it and then I'll be back. So now I'm going to use this watercolor and I'm going to color it. Now I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm going to add this in this project. Now I'm going to add the coat and then I'm going to finish this project. So I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. So I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.